Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host, and we're bringing you the latest on electric vehicles and the future of transportation. So, if you've been thinking about switching to an electric vehicle, but been held back by the lack of charging infrastructure, you might be interested in some good news from Slough Borough Council. The council has just announced plans to install at least 1,600 new curbside charging points across the town over the next 15 years. That's right, 1,600 charging points. Think about it. That's like installing a charging point on every street corner in Slough. And it's not just anywhere. These charging points are going to be concentrated in residential areas with no off-street parking. Because let's face it, who doesn't love the idea of having a convenient charging point right outside your front door? Now, we all know how frustrating it can be to have to find a public charging point, only to find it's always taken up. That's why Slough Borough Council is hoping that these new charging points will make electric vehicles more practical and affordable for residents. And with the Department for Transport's Local Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Capital Fund providing £2.233 million in funding, this project is set to get off the ground. The first installations are expected to happen by the end of the year, so mark your calendars if you're thinking of making the switch to electric. It's also worth noting that the council plans to award a contract for the work in the summer, which should give us an idea of exactly how this project will unfold. So, what does this mean for Slough and its residents? Well, as Councillor Gertrude Manku so eloquently put it, having plenty of easy-to-access charging points will make owning an electric vehicle more appealing. And who can argue with that? That's all for now from Electro Drive News. We'll be keeping a close eye on this project and bringing you updates as they happen. Thanks for watching.